Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to rhythm bot on Discord. So first of all, what you're gonna do, you're gonna need to visit the rhythm bot website and invite it to your server. So you're gonna just type right here rhythm bot, okay, and then basically join the channel or any voice channel where you want to play music, and then type exclamation point play song name or URL in a text channel to start playing music, and then rhythm bot will join the voice channel and play the requested song, and then you can control the music. Exclamation point skip to skip the current music, exclamation point pause to pause the music, and exclamation point resume to continue playing, exclamation point stop to stop the music and disconnect the bot. And you can use the exclamation point for search, type exclamation point search and then enter the song name to search for a song and select it from the list, and then use exclamation point queue to view the current song queue, and then that's it. Enjoy your music. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.